So let's do this the way we've been practicing. I've got 10x, guys, plus 3y equals 15. We're going to come up with the two intercepts. So we start off with the x-intercept. And we said that for the x-intercept, that meant y was 0.
Yep.
So I put 0 in for y. Guys.
Why won't you put it in for, dang it.
Yeah, I get it. And you said because I like her.
Just stop.
So put my 0 in for y. That's going to cancel out, leaving me 10x is equal to 15. Then I'm going to divide each side by 10. And that leaves me x is equal to 15 over 10, which reduces to 3/2. And if you're a decimal type, you can always write that as a decimal.
Wait, where does the 0 go?
1.5. Where'd the 0 here go?
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
Just don't use it.
3 times 0 is 0, right? So a number plus 0
Oh, okay. Yeah.
is it that number again. And let's do the y-intercept. Oh, and I should write the ordered pair. So 3/2, comma, 0. And that would be the x-intercept. Remember, the format for x-intercept is number, comma, 0, because y was 0.
Wait, did you divide the 15 and the 10?
Yeah, 15 divided by 10 reduces to 3 over 2. Because I can divide each of those by 5.
Yeah.
Now when I talk about the y-intercept, I can do, that's the one where x is 0. So I put 0 in for x. 10 times 0 plus 3y equals 15. Something times 0 drops out of the equation, leaves me 3y
Oh my gosh, I did it.
equals 15.
Good job, Tori.
Divide both sides by 3. Y is 5.
Oh yeah.
So the ordered pair is 0, comma 5.
Stop.
Now, there's a little trick to this, too, that you can use. To get the intercepts, instead of actually plugging in for 0, you can just cover them up. So, for example, instead of putting 0 in here, so I want the y-intercept, I cover up the x, because that's not, see, it says y-intercept, right? So I cover up x, so I have just y left. Here's 3y equals 15. 3y equals 15, y is 5. If I say, oh, hey, I want the x-intercept. Okay, that means I don't want y, I want the x. So I cover up the 3y. Here's 10x equals 15. Here's 10x equals 15, or x is 3/2. The problem with the cover-up method is when you go to write these ordered pairs, you have to remember which one was 0. Because remember, an answer of the x-intercept is 3/2 doesn't work. You have to have that ordered pair. So you have to kind of remember there are some zeros involved. But it can skip a couple of steps if you're comfortable with that, or if it helps you remember what you're doing. You know, if you're like, I don't remember what to do. Well, I remember the x-intercept means I only need my x, and you start going from there.
Remember?
Do that. Shoot.
Like, you're finding for a y, so it would go second, right?
Sure.
Like, this 0 would go second. What? Like, it's just kind of, like, obvious to me.
Hey, if it clicks, it clicks. Whatever works.
Does anyone else get what I'm saying? No. I don't think so.
Not really, but that's okay.
I get it.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Barely, but I also have an advanced degree in mathematics. So.
Yeah, I know, but like, okay, so for the y one, like you're